Hi guys, in today's video I will be doing another protective style. This is my spring twist style. I used a mixture of number 27 and of course 613 to achieve this. If you're interested, come on in and take a look. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing another protective style. I've had my hair out for about a week and a half and it's time to put it back away. I ordered some hair from my favorite place to order things from. I also ordered the color. Have not worn this style in an extremely long time. I'm going to show you the color, of course. It's really neat. I'll have to give you the vendor name later, but you get a crochet needle with it. And I have two orders. I have this. This is the number 27, which is the color I want my hair to be. So I'll have to figure out a way to get it. But this is how it looks, of course. Really pretty. And I also am going to do a mix. I ordered from another order, and I got another crochet needle. Still two, I have a total of 3 because I got another one and the one I ordered from another. So you get a crochet needle in each one. Remind you of. But all-time favorite color. This is gonna be the shit. But I cannot wait to install this hair. And the more I look at it, the more I'm like, am I ready to put it away? Am I ready to put all this mane away? I'm going to be working on this hair. It's going to be a mix. I got 3 bundles of the 27. Comes with it. Way more than enough hair. And then of course I got this. I have 4 bundles. I'm going to get started on this. And I'll show you how I do these. Pull your strand. I'm not cutting it. Or am I? I don't know. But this is how it looks. You just want to lightly pull it apart if you do not want it to tangle. I think I'm going to end up doing them this length. That way it is longer than my hair. A little bit. I just don't want them long. So I did cut it in half and this is what it looks like. And all I did was, you have your 2 pieces. Sorry for the lighting, I'm in my living room right now. There's 0 light up here. Very fluorescent. But I basically did the loop where you will put, be careful babe. You okay to get strangled? Do you mind? you're gonna have a straggly, so you just cut it away. And my goodness, that's short, but pull. And you can take your thumb, run it in there. Parting my hair about like this, or just pulling it. A lot of moisture on my hair when I have textile. And this is one not cutting. This is the number 27. Whew. That's the long one. I put 2 on just to see how it will look with this length. This is my hair and this is the twist. It's going to be basically the same size. I think I'm going to have to do them a little bit longer. I don't want my hair to be tangled up. But I don't want them long. I don't want them long at all. So ponder on it a minute. This color is banging. Let me get the hair separated out, and I'm gonna just twist it. Oh my god! This is how far I've gotten. This is about 2 hours of twisting. Not that long. Still got a few I need to snip the ends on, but this is how far I've gotten. My little twist right here blends right in with it. My hair is actually the same length as these. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much finished right here on this particular step. I'm just showing you how I attach my hair using 3 pieces, 3 legs. And this is easy for me because my hair is very soft, and you know, the twist easily slides off. So I hope you can see what I'm doing. But there's 1, 2, 3, and then my hair is in the middle. And I try to braid down at least 6 to 8 times before I bring the 2 that I split up back together. You'll see that here in a second. The hair does get kind of tangly, but that's okay. You can brush it out more. But see? And then I put a clip at the root. I am just going to continue the process. I'm going to show you again quickly here, but I put that duckbill clip at the root of my hair so it won't cause too much tension, because as you twist, your hair twists with the extension hair. But I hope you can see on this one still what I'm doing. And I'm just going to pull it a little bit so you can see how close that gets to the root. And if your hair is really soft, you could try this, or you can use rubber bands, or you can even twist the hair, pre-twist it and crochet it in. But I wanted to do more styles, so I wanted to do it this way. Continue to watch to the end for the finished result. Here is the final look. As you see, I was so feeling this style. I mean, it turned out so cute. I wasn't sure at first because they're so short, and I am enjoying short hair. As you saw in my previous protective style, I had the micro braids, shoulder length. These are just a tad bit shorter. You could stretch it to length more, or just use the whole piece if you desire. But this is a great summer style. You don't have to worry about the hair swinging on your neck or anything. And I'm just styling and profiling here. I'm going to do a few cute styles at the end if you want to watch. I do some updos just to show that it is very versatile. And the style will last for about 4 to 6 weeks with the proper maintenance. And this is one style here of that updo that I've been really wearing every day. It's kind of like a high poof, but that's what I've been wearing in my hair. I hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, like, comment, subscribe, share, engage with me. Make some requests if you want. I am a all things beauty channel, and art is my life, no matter in what form. So thank you to all my new viewers, all my new supporters, and all my new subscribers. You really encourage me to keep making videos. YouTube is hard, but I'm going to keep posting just because it's fun and it's a hobby. Alright guys, I will see you in the next one. Have a good day. Bye.